on this episode of the Moving Diaries.
This is exciting.
Oh my god, it doesn't fit! Incorrect password. What?
I don't know what to do about this.
A couple centimeters would have been enough. That's quite the success.
Hello everybody, back in action. It's moving part 3. Yesterday I didn't do any moving at all. I was just working at the clinic. This morning I was with my wonderful ski team. We did some games. We got our Christmas tree and now it's like 3 o'clock. Leah and I are gonna try to work on the kitchen today. I don't know how far we're gonna get, but we're gonna try. I also packed a box of random stuff that I had in my bedroom. I think this is like a new butter dish, some bowls that I had bought, my beautiful camera lamp, which is needed since it's a dark hole in my living room. Paper towels, I think my mom threw some snacks in there. We are gonna go get the last of the stuff in the storage unit, finish clearing out the entire storage unit. It'll be empty, and then go work on the apartment, start actually unpacking. Okay, maybe we needed one more, I don't know. This should be 34 inches. Okay, so do you think we'll be able to get it in there? Because the doorway is...
In where?
The closet.
Easily. Why won't it go in the closet?
Because the doorway is not my bedroom closet. I'm talking about the closet across in the kitchen.
That's a hard call. I don't really remember.
I think I have a video. You can shimmy it in.
I mean, worst case scenario, if you go there, you can run up there and see if it fits. I'll just give you the little tape measure for the day. You run up there and see if it fits.
We measured the inside of the closet. It's 34 inches. That's 31. It'll fit.
Yeah.
But can I get it through the door? You know what I mean?
You're just gonna turn it corner way.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was thinking.
That's easily gonna fit in there.
Okay.
The closet 34, it's gonna fit. Corner to corner when you try to bring it into straight. You're at 33.5. So if you have, you know, the chances are pretty high it's gonna fit. Even if the closet's, how wide did you say the closet's? 36?
34.
So your longest dimension is just under 34.
This is exciting. I have my lock and I don't think I need to do anything else. We're done.
We are back in. This is where we left it. I feel like there's a light under one of these things. Oh, there is. I don't know which one it is. Oh yeah, that's way better. I needed that. This camera's battery is about to die, so I might have to switch cameras. I'm waiting for Leah to arrive. I feel like I could take a nap on this couch right now. We're gonna get started unpacking. I think I'm gonna feel better when I actually get started. I still can't believe this is mine. This is so weird to me. First thing we're gonna do is put a lamp up here before we have no more light. You guys watch the other vlogs, you know we are in desperate need of a light. And I brought one, the camera light. And let there be light. For some reason, I just pulled out my Christmas tree. Not that this was a priority in any way, shape, or form. I guess we have a Christmas tree now. Maybe I'll put it up here. It's kind of cute. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so tired. I'm definitely not gonna do the kitchen without Leah, but I do have a couple things to put away here. I think I'm gonna try to unload the car. I could probably do it by myself. And then I might work on the bathroom while Leah does her kitchen. I would help Leah with the kitchen, but honestly, she's so gifted. I don't want to interrupt her work. This is kind of a fun thing that I thought I would unbox and put together because we probably are gonna need it. I bought myself a long time ago, actually I think like before I even moved out of my old place, a new stand for my paper towels because my other one, it turned a different color. It was a marble one and it all of a sudden was like really a bizarre color and was very scratched up. I haven't even opened this myself. I got this fun, like little chorizo wood one, I guess. I guess I was picturing that I got something different, but I think it's still cute. Probably will show stains less because it's got the little textured pattern on the bottom. And ta-da, let's go put her in the kitchen. I need to put a trash bag in my trash can so I can actually throw stuff away. Trash bags. Oh, I do. I don't have very many. I need to make a list of, as I unpack, what I need to get because I just remembered when I was driving over here that I don't have the like plastic sheet for my shower curtain. If you remember my trash can journey from the last apartment, these things are so expensive, but I do have a Simple Human trash can and it's so nice. It's really good quality, it looks cute, but it opens from the side here, which is a really awkward thing. Like I have a feeling this is where the trash can's gonna go because I can still open the dishwasher here and it makes sense for it to go here, but it needs to open this way. They do make one like that and I'm sure I'd be really happy with it. And I'm sure it's gonna cost me $80, but I'm kind of like at the point where I've decided I probably need that. I did this weird thing where I saved pretty much every single gift card I've received in my young adult life / teen years to save for this moment when didn't feel like I had a ton of money / didn't want to spend money but actually needed something. So I've just saved these gift cards because I didn't want to to spend them on dumb stuff. I need to look at my gift card stash because I feel like this would be an appropriate time to redeem the gift cards. I feel like paper towels have to go by the sink. God, there's so much stuff everywhere. I'm just like, oh, that's cute. This is a butter dish, but I don't know if I'm gonna like it for my modern apartment or not. So we're gonna think about that. I'm gonna go take a couple more trips and grab everything from my car and put it in here, and then I can move my car away from the loading dock. And then Leah will probably arrive and we'll get this thing rolling. I'm excited. You guys would be so proud of me. I wheeled this thing, lifted it, got it up here all by myself. Now the test is to see if I can get it in here, if it'll fit. It was really close when we measured it. I want to move all the fun cleaning supplies. This is gonna go in my room for now. I don't know if I'm gonna have it forever, but until my desk arrives, I need a place to get ready. I feel like Katie Mack because that girl has unbelievable strength when she wants to redo her room. She literally can lift like anything. So, oh my God, this literally probably is not gonna work. I literally told my dad this was gonna happen. It's so close though. Oh, Leah's here, I think. Nothing ever fits the same. What is this? The third time this has happened in this apartment? I don't know what to do about this. Yeah, it's not gonna turn any. I'm trying to think creatively. Yeah, I need to find a different sort of cabinet system. The silver one that I had from my last place was 2 inches too big, but I guess it really wouldn't even fit in here because it's got to be able to fit within the doorway almost. So let me measure this. I honestly don't even know if they make racks that small. This little portion of the door is so tiny. So it's only 23 inches wide. So it basically needs to be 30 inches or less to fit in this closet, which is very, very small. I don't know if I should take it home and get rid of it. I'm at a loss. Oh. Hello? Wait. Oh, wait. Why did your number not come up normally? Oh, wait. Oh, it worked. Oh, I'm talking to you at the door. Oh my God. Wait, sick. Okay, I'm gonna come get you. It's 1 inch too big. The only problem is like it's like my literal walkway. Well, leave it there for now. Yeah. Leah and I are gonna make a game plan and then we'll film the organizing. All I need is basically like one thing for food. So like one of these will be food, like my pantry probably will go here. And then this will probably be my plates or whatever one makes more sense. That could be the pantry and this could be the plates, which could make more sense. Here are our bins full of...
I did Margot and Ben's kitchen in their new house.
Yeah.
It was massive. It was so fun.
Yeah, that's the problem. This
like, you guys need to go buy stuff to fill up this kitchen.
Yeah, mine's like, you gotta take some stuff home. So I've decided that I can't find the stupid little piece that it comes with because they like came with the twisty thing and then you pulled it off and threw them away. So I may have to just drill into this, but I feel like I have to ask Doug first. Cabinet's gonna be a fail. I've decided she will be safety precaution for now. I think at this point you can like look up most things online. I don't even own half this stuff. I'm throwing this away. Oh, my dad's favorite bed that he took 2 days to build. It came with no slats. Oh, our couch. Oh yeah, I don't even own any of this furniture. Maybe I should just get rid of her. Perfect. I got an extra bag now. Look at her just popping off. Oh, don't look at that one. Okay, but like, you guys, it's coming along.
Your silver one doesn't fit.
It does. Oh, you're kidding me. Ah! Oh my God, I don't think they make a smaller one than that, Leah.
No, but there's all these individual
Yeah, so
ones.
I'm gonna have to buy the individual ones and go across.
Or I'll maneuver something.
I mean, we may have to just, but I like how each one has its thing. So if those fit across, then I'll just buy more of those at the container store. I get a 20% discount for being a student, I think. Oh. So I may have to do some ordering.
That does that too?
Yeah, get on uni days. That's, yeah, it's a good thing to know. Okay, I'm gonna do the shower curtain, even though I don't have the liner. And then the next bin. I like all types of tea. I used to have a drink dresser. There had to be a variety. I know, we'll have to figure, the tea is not the priority. This is our box full of organizers and stuff that doesn't fit. This is the bathroom. It's actually, it looks pretty good. Hung the shower curtain, I need a liner. This is still broken, so I can't really put anything inside because it's the Leaning Tower of Pisa right now, but I figured some stuff out. All of that stuff is supposed to go in there. This is the main problem, is that these drawers are so skinny that my organizers, these are just IKEA ones that I loved because they held like all my hair stuff. It would just fit perfectly in there. They're too skinny for the organizer. Like the organizer will just float on top. It won't sink down, which is really annoying. This is the only drawer that I could do. Luckily I have these little makeup organizers that are pretty skinny and I don't have like a ton of makeup. This is just like fun stuff. That one's done. This, I, again, don't have any organizers for it. These I got from the dollar store, so I'm wondering if maybe I go to the dollar store and pick up some more because they're really inexpensive, but I have to measure this all out. Hopefully my hair stuff will fit in there. My medicines, they, like I have a whole bin full of medicines. They didn't fit in here at all. So this is kind of the best we could do because it drops down. Like the sink is so in the way that you got the pipe here. It's just hard to configure it. This is still one of my favorite drawer things. This is from IKEA. It holds a lot of stuff. It looks really messy right now, but I promise it's organized. So that's kind of a later thing. At least stuff is in there. Then we have Miss Leah, who has been cracking away at this kitchen. Everything has a label. We got silverware, knives, utensils, miscellaneous, flat stuff, pots, pans, had to go under the sink again. Everyone said I was crazy when we did that last time, but I swear there's gotta be like tons of people who live in apartments like this and who can't fit the pots and pans anywhere. Like where do they expect us to put it? I don't know. Do they expect us to like hang them on the wall? Honestly, like this is gonna be food stuff, and here we got these cute little shelves. This is probably gonna change. We have some cookbooks and stuff, so these will be styled probably. I don't know. We got less cute dishes. Ooh, oh my god, this is smaller than my last one.
Yeah, you have a lot of mugs.
We fit them like in such a small thing last time. Yeah, we did. Because it was like this, and we put all of my drinking glasses here, then the mugs were all up there. So
Accumulated a lot of mugs.
So we could do that. I can get rid of some mugs. Some of them are like Christmassy.
This is more like baking flax.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. Oh my gosh, I just do have a lot of stuff.
This is like cutting boards.
Does this
serving trays?
Does any of this stuff fit in here? What is this? Like, I feel like we could fill this up more because at some point I need foils and the saran wraps and the baking. So I'm like, some of this stuff might just have to like go in there and lean it against the side. It may not look super pretty, but it's gotta go in there. I mean, you won't really notice the flat stuff on the side right there. Leah, if this is your business, you're gonna have to make it work. The client wants everything inside the kitchen. You guys, Leah is leaving me. I'm really sad, but I'm so grateful for your talent.
Your car keys, but I can't find them.
She's going to dinner, but look at this. This is a sneak peek. It's not done by any means. We have some situations to figure out. To be expected, the silverware does not fit, nor this also does not fit. So I don't know where I'm gonna find stuff that fits in these drawers. What do the other people that live here do? If you live here, let me know. I'm really confused. Why did the drawers not like, why aren't they just literally an inch wider? Not even a couple centimeters would have been enough. But we did get a lot done today, like seriously. So many, look at, we got all of these bins completely empty. That's quite the success, and we started at 3:34. So we've only been doing this for like 3 hours. This is all the stuff I have to take home because I don't have a place for it. Our next task of the day is just to actually log into the Wi-Fi. I already paid for it and everything, but I was having some trouble getting in until I realized, duh, you have to actually plug in the Wi-Fi box. So I just plugged it in and it warmed up, and hopefully, oh my god, I just found it. Now I have to put in the complicated password. Incorrect password? What? Am I blind? Oh, I am blind. I thought that was an 8 and it was a 6. Round 2. We're in. This is great. Getting closer and closer to being able to stay here, and it's making me so excited. But also, there's so many things to be figured out still. Even though my back is literally killing me, I feel like an old lady, I'm going to try to at least put some of this stuff inside of my dresser. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just gonna try to get this suitcase out of here because it's one less thing to deal with. did it. I'm beat and I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this organizing part of the actual unpacking of my apartment. I'm so excited to be here. I know it probably sounded like I was kind of being ungrateful because nothing was fitting, so it's really frustrating, but you know, that's moving. I hope that you guys got a good kick out of everything not fitting. I'm still really happy that I'm here. It just is those little things that are so annoying. It's like, oh my gosh, now I have to figure out this out again. Once you get settled in an apartment, you solve all of these little problems. It just takes time to get there, and I always forget how long of a process it is to really get settled in. So I'm really happy with everything we got done today. Like, it looks like it's actually kind of coming along, and I could almost sleep here if I brought my clothes. The first night in the apartment is coming up soon. I think I'm going to chill here for like 20 minutes and then take some stuff down to my car, bring it back to my parents' house, go have dinner, and then work on homework and editing the first vlog that's hopefully gonna go up tomorrow. Today's question of the day is going to be, what is your favorite room to organize? I don't like the kitchen, hence Leah doing the kitchen. I feel like the kitchen is just a lot. The bathroom to me is fun. Leah and I are gonna have a blast doing my closet. When it eventually comes together, it's gonna be real nice. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you very soon. Good night.
It's all true. It's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate wasting time. You said